Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. If you want to go off the grid, click the link down below in the description and that'll take you to the list where I have my first 8 videos as to going off the grid. It's the fastest, easiest, cheapest way to start making your own electricity. Right here I do want to show you Social Blade. Now this is one of the best places to go for your YouTube app. All your information. Now, here I clicked on user summary, and it tells you how many subs you got for each day. Net. We'll get into that in a little bit. Here you can see 360 for the last 30 days. I've been doing a lot of stuff. So, and of course, there's your views per day. So now I'm just now getting up to 100 after 9 months. Over here, future projections. And then it shows in 30 days I should be at 1,200, 60 days, 1,566, in a year I should have 5,200. Don't be discouraged by what YouTube is doing. Just keep rocking on with what you have, your content, and just keep pushing it. Don't give up. You'll make it. And here, 5 years, I should be at 23,000. And no matter what YouTube is going to do, I someday will be making money. So, this app I really love. And detailed stats. This is important. Well, I had 21,000 views already. So, on the sidebar over here, look at that. It shows where you're losing subs. See that? Lost 2 there, lost 1, lost 1. That's very important. I just noticed that. So, and over here is the net. So, they just let you know. I didn't lose any today. I'm up 3. Pretty cool. This is one of the apps I use. This is the one I use on the computer. And then the one I use for my phone, it's YT Studio for the YouTube Studio. Okay? Just to let you know, this is the stuff I use to track where I'm at, my status. It's pretty cool. Alright, just thought I'd share that with you. Have a nice sunny day.